welcome back to Keto Homestead with Jess. It's that time again, the Keto Low Carb Bake Off. I hope you're as excited as I am. Keto Low Carb Bake Off was created to help people stay accountable and have a connection with others that also live the keto low carb lifestyle. If you want to participate, you can go ahead and create a video, hashtag it ohiobuckeyebakeoff. That will tag me. And then also, the only other thing that you need to do is make sure that you like this video and subscribe to me. There's a little bit of changes. I did have a partner in the past. I no longer do. So just make sure that you are subscribed and you like this video. Again, hashtag the video ohiobuckeyebakeoff. And that will enter your video into the giveaway. You have until May 21st to enter your cookie video. This month is a cookie video. Any cookie of your choice, either keto or low carb. The giveaway will take place on May 22nd. That's Saturday. You need to be in the live to win. And our sponsored giveaway is by Lily's Chocolate this month. So please make sure to show up to the live. It's at 2 p.m. May 22nd on Saturday. And I can't wait to see all the recipes you come up with. Good luck to all the participants. Happy baking. And we're going to go ahead and start my recipe. Today I am doing monster cookies. Alright, so I have my mixing bowl. I have a fork. I am going to do 2 cups of almond flour. Go ahead and add my baking soda. We need 1/4 teaspoon. Go ahead and put that to the side. We need 1/4 baking soda, or baking powder. I'm sorry. That's baking powder, not soda. We are going to use 1/4 cup of stevia. A pinch of salt. I'm also going to add 1 cup of unsweetened coconut flakes. I also am going to add a cup of rough chopped pecans. These are unsalted. Add that in. I am also going to add 1 cup of Lily's dark chocolate. I'm going to go ahead and mix that around a little bit. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and add my wet ingredients. I have 2 eggs. I have 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And I am going to add a tablespoon of vanilla. Go ahead and mix that all together. This is a super easy, quick keto treat, keto cookies. You can put this together in just a few minutes, and then you'll be able to fight those sugar cravings with some keto cookies. You never have to cheat on keto as long as you prepare and prep your meals and prep your desserts. That's a key factor. Doing any type of lifestyle is to be prepared and to prep for that lifestyle. So as long as you have a keto dessert or sweet on hand, you're more likely not to fail. So I'm going to go ahead and take my wedding rings off here. And I'm going to get my hands in here and mix it around. And again, as I always say, when you're working with almond flour, the recipe always is different. The more you can get your hands in there and work, you can feel that consistency. And if you need to add more ingredients, you can. Okay, I have my parchment paper and my baking sheet and my trusty ice cream scoop. That's what I like to scoop my cookies out with. So I'm just going to put these on the baking sheet. My mouth is already watering. It's been a while since I've made cookies, even though we are keto and this is a keto snack. I still try to limit the amount of sweets I intake. As the saying goes, you always eat in moderation. Alright, I have my oven preheated at 375. We are going to go ahead and put these cookies in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes depending on your oven. Just keep a close eye on them that they don't burn. Alright, we're over here at the oven. I'm going to go ahead and put those in 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, so while our cookies are cooking in the oven, I have brought you over to the stove. We are going to do a mock caramel sauce, and in the pan here I have ½ cup of butter. I am going to use ½ cup of heavy whipping cream, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/4 cup of my stevia. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the oven on. Now, during this process, you do not want to walk away. The mock caramel sauce that we are making will burn very quickly. So we'll go ahead and melt this butter down, and please do not walk away. Okay, my butter has came to a boil and has melted. I like to bring this to a soft boil, and then I'll go ahead and add my 1/4 cup of stevia. Stir that around. And we're trying to get this to caramelization stage. So you want your burner up just past medium. And every time you add in an ingredient, it's going to bring the boil down. So as soon as the butter and the stevia come to a boil again, I'll add the next ingredient. Okay, Okay, it's to another light boil, so I am going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to stir that and just keep stirring. We're basically making a candy, a caramel. You want to consistently stir this so it does not burn. Alright, that's came up to a boil, so I am going to do my ½ cup of heavy whipping cream. We're going to stir that in. Now we have all of our ingredients in the pot, so we just need to keep stirring this, let it boil, and cook down some until it's thickened. Okay, now that it's boiled for a few minutes, I like to dip a spoon in there and see how thick it is. It's getting there. It's not quite as thick as I would like. We're going to continue stirring for a little bit longer. I'm going to check this again and see how it got a little bit thicker there. Be careful, it's super hot. But you take your finger across, you see it's pretty thick. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off the burner and set it aside. And it should be about time for our cookies to come out of the oven. Okay, our cookies are finished. So before I take them off the baking sheet, I will go ahead and drizzle them with the caramel sauce. Alright, so now what I like to do is just drizzle the cookies with the caramel sauce. And you will have some left over, which is great because if you make homemade keto ice cream, you can go ahead and put this leftover in a mason jar, put a lid on it, and put it in the refrigerator until you're ready to use it. It should last up to 2 weeks. This recipe did make 18 cookies. I'm going to go ahead and put this caramel sauce to the side. And now that I have the caramel on top of the cookies, I will take my cookie rack and put the cookies on the rack to cool. Now I will go ahead and take the cookies off the cookie sheet and put it on the cookie rack to cool. I really hope that you try this recipe. I hope you like it. It's really good. And there is no way that you will have a cheat day on keto if you have monster cookies in the house. I did have another batch in a muffin tray here, so I'm going to go ahead and put the caramel sauce on there. And then I'll transfer these over to the cookie rack. Again, I want to thank all the participants that are participating in this keto low carb bake off. I can't wait to see your recipes, taste them, try them, and I look forward to seeing you on May 22nd at 2 o'clock for the reveal of who the keto low carb bake off winner is. I hope you all stay happy, healthy, and safe, and we'll see you soon. Thank you for visiting Keto Homestead with Jess. Alright, so the cookies have cooled down, and Barrett's going to go ahead and try one for you.
That's the best batch you made so far. You're getting it down. You're getting it packed. That's delicious. It's in there.